Let's talk about the luxury market in Red Deer because it behaves very differently than the rest of the market. Over the last 6 months, 5 homes over the $1 million mark have sold in Red Deer. That works out to roughly 1 sale per month. And right now, there are 7 $1 million homes currently on the market. I'll let you do the math. What's interesting is that most of the activity has happened under about the $1.5 million mark, with the exception of 1. Once you move above that range, the buyer pool becomes significantly smaller, which naturally changes how this segment of the market behaves. Luxury real estate tends to move at a different pace than the average market, not necessarily because demand is weak, but because there are simply fewer buyers looking for that specific type of property at any given time. It's a market driven more by patience, timing, and finding the right buyer rather than by volume. Luxury buyers today are also extremely informed and selective. They're looking closely at things like construction quality, design, lot characteristics, privacy, updates, lifestyle features, and long-term value. They're often not in a rush, and they're willing to wait for the property that feels like the right fit. So when you look at the luxury segment in Red Deer, it's really its own micro market inside the broader Red Deer market. The activity is there, but it's naturally more specialized and much less volume-based than what we see in the more typical price ranges. So when you hear people talk about the market, it's important to always remember that there really isn't just one market, especially at the luxury level.